Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today I want to go over some words we usually confuse and misspell. These are called commonly confused words. These words are called homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Homophones are easy to confuse because they sound the same. For example, the words two, and two. We confuse them a lot because they sound exactly alike, but they're spelled differently. Also, there, and there. We also confuse them a lot as well because they sound exactly the same, but if you notice, they're different spelling and they also have different meanings. So I want to go over a few of these and show you what they actually mean, and then we're going to put them into some sentences so you can see it a little bit clearer. So the word two is a number. Kira is excited about two things. Two, the number two. Two, which is spelled T-O-O, means also. She loves swimming, but she loves riding too, meaning she loves riding also. Two, in a certain direction. She goes to the pool almost every day. To, T-O, means certain place. You go to the store, you go to the pool. Where are you going? To someplace. There, in that place. The swim team practices there. Where does the swim team practice? There. There, T-H-E-I-R, means belonging to them. They try to improve their speed. That means that the speed belongs to them. Their speed. Their, contraction for they are. Next week, they're having a big meet. That means next week, they are having a big meet. Here are some other ones. No, opposite of yes. We hear this word a lot, especially when we ask our parents for things that we want and they say no. That's that spelling right there. This no with the K and the N, it means to be aware of. What does that really mean? It means I know something. I know my math, I know how to spell, I know how to read, I know all of the things about the world. That's what this no means. This is the one you would use when you're telling someone that you know something. It's, contraction for it is. I would use this when I say, it is my pleasure to teach you. But instead of saying it is, I would just say it's. It's my pleasure to teach you. Now this it's without the apostrophe means belonging to it. So this one you would not use if you're saying it is. You would use it when you're talking about it belong to something. This car is its. Hours, unit of time. It took me hours to finish my project. That means it took me a long time. This hours sound exactly like that hours, but this hours means belonging to us. So the car is ours. That means the car belongs to us. This classroom is ours. That means the classroom belongs to us. Right. This right has two different meanings actually. It could mean correct, as in you're right, you got it, or opposite of left, meaning you're on the right side, not on the left side. This right, W-R-I-T-E, means to put down on paper. So every day in school, your teachers ask you to write on the paper, and this is the right you would use. Would, under a certain condition. I would give you no homework tonight, but I think you need to practice. Now, this wood is part of a tree. It is that part that's brown and you see it, and it is the wood of the tree. I sat on a piece of wood by accident. New, opposite of old. New, this new means you have some new sneakers, or maybe you have a new tablet, or even better for some of you, you're getting a new phone. This new means the past tense of know. So remember, know meant to be aware of. That means I know everything. I know a lot. This new means I know, but in the past. So what was that sound like? I knew that I was going to get a new phone for my mom. I knew it. I already knew it. She didn't have to tell me, but I knew it already. I knew that Miss Daly was going to make a video for us for this homophones. I knew that. Okay, so hopefully all of that is a little bit clear. We're going to go into some examples, and I'm going to show you how to put in the correct homophones. Remember, homophones are what? Words that sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. All right, so here are some examples. The first sentence says, I blank that the world is not flat. So here are two homophones, no or no. So which one would fit into this? I blank that the world is not flat. I know, as in no way, Jose, or no, you're not getting it. Or I know, meaning I know something, that something is in my head. Which one would fit here? So the correct one would be no. I know that the world is not flat. All right. Can I play with you? 2, 2, or 2. Okay, so remember that this one is a number, the number 2. And this one means also, and this one means I went to the store or something. So which one would I put in if I was saying, can I play with you 2? It would be TOO 2. Yes. It took me blank to complete my science project. So now which one? This one means mine and yours. That means both of us, right? So this hours would have to be the correct one. This is the time. So it took me hours to complete my science project. I hope it doesn't take you hours, but it took me hours. Fred blank not stop talking in class. So which one of these? I remember this would means a part of a tree. So that wouldn't make sense in a sentence. Fred would, a part of the tree, not stop talking. So it must be this one. Would. Fred would not stop talking in class. Shh. Fred, shh. My mom blanked that I did not complete my homework, my work. Oh, what did she know? Oh my goodness. Would it be new as in it's the first time I got this new thing? No, I think it would be this one because remember, new is the past tense and it's spelled differently. So K-N-E-W is new. My mom knew that I did not complete my work. Oh no, that's not good. All right, let's carry on. Please do not right on the table. So which one? This one means left or right. This one means right. So I'm going to just circle the answers now because I know I'm running out of time a little bit. So you can always fill in the blank for yourself. Blanks, not yours. So please put it down. Ooh, this one's tricky. It's. So I think this means it is. So let's see if I could put that in there and see if that makes sense. It is not yours. So please put it down. It's not yours. So I think it's as in it is not yours. Lisa has blank brothers and no sisters. The number 2. Lisa has 2 brothers and no sisters. Sometimes she's blank and sometimes wrong. So this right means to write on the table or on a chair, or don't do that because your parents will be upset. So I'm thinking that it's this right. Sometimes she's right and sometimes wrong. Dad bought me blank sneakers yesterday. Now, would Dad buy me sneakers that I know, as in I knew sneakers, like I know about them, they're colorful, or new meaning brand new sneakers? Yes, new sneakers. Okay, one last one. Peter is standing over, I think what would go here would be there. Standing over there. Blank names are Benjamin and Clark. I think this page was about there, and there. So I'm going to say there, as in the names belong to them. Their names are Benjamin and Clark. And last one, I would say this one, really happy about the pizza party. So I'm thinking that it will be this last there, which would be there. Really happy about the pizza party, meaning they are really happy about the pizza party. So let's go back real quick. Remember, homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings and spelling. They could be confusing because they sound the same, but if you remember what each of them mean, it will make your life so much easier. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.